Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Irma Primasari. I'm from Magister Civil Engineering, Sriwijaya University. I will reading from the task from Miss Novia. I choose a passage 2. Okay, complementary and alternative medicine, which includes a range of practices outside of conventional medicine such as herbs, homeopathy, massage therapy, yoga, and acupuncture, hold increasing appeal for Americans. In fact, according to one estimate, 42% of Americans have used alternative therapies. In all age groups, the use of unconventional healthcare practices has steadily increased in the last 30 years, and the trend is likely to continue. Older people born before 1945 are the least likely to turn to these therapies. Why have so many patients turned to alternative therapies? Many are frustrated by the time constraint of managed care and alienated by conventional medicine focused on technology. Others feel that a holistic approach to healthcare better reflects their beliefs and values. Others seek therapies that relieve symptoms associated with chronic disease, symptoms that mainstream medicine cannot treat. Some alternative therapies have even crossed the line into mainstream medicine, as a scientific investigation has confirmed their safety and efficacy. For example, physicians may currently prescribe acupuncture for pain management or to control the nausea associated with chemotherapy. Additionally, many U.S. medical schools still teach courses in alternative therapies, and many health insurance companies offer some alternative medicine benefits. Thank you. I think that's enough. I'm so sorry if I have mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and everyone.